Algorand cost really equivalent to $0.2283 a coin in a truly significant manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.2237 0.2311 in a very significant way. The earlier day close, 0.2274, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The change really was plus 0.0009, plus 0.40% and in every practical sense, significant way. Reverse rate, USD to ALGO, or so they especially thought. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they certainly thought. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost $0.23. Fundamentally most extreme 0.25, beautiful least 0.21 and in every way that really matters, huge way. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.24, most extreme 0.26, truly least 0.22 in an unpretentious way. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost $0.23, really most extreme 0.25, genuinely least 0.21, which is genuinely huge. Algorand gauge on Thursday, April 20, cost $0.23, kind of greatest 0.25, sort of least 0.21, which generally is genuinely huge. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost $0.23, beautiful most extreme 0.25, all things considered, least 0.21, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. In multi-week Algorand gauge on Monday, April 24, cost $0.23, especially most extreme 0.25, genuinely least 0.21 in a by and large significant manner. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.23, especially greatest 0.25, especially least 0.21, which generally is genuinely huge. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.23, extremely greatest 0.25, beautiful least 0.21, which sort of is very huge. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.22, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.24, kind of least 0.20 amazingly. Algorand gauge on Friday, April 28, cost $0.22, kind of most extreme 0.24, especially least 0.20 in an unpretentious way. In about 14 days Algorand cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $0.22, most certainly greatest 0.24, extremely least 0.20, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand figure on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.22, beautiful most extreme 0.24, certainly least 0.20, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.21, all things considered, most extreme 0.22, especially least 0.20 in an unpretentious way. Algorand figure on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.21, sort of most extreme 0.22, in every practical sense, least 0.20 in an unpretentious way. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost $0.21, exceptionally most extreme 0.22, kind of least 0.20, showing how Algorand value forecast for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. In 3 weeks Algorand figure on Monday, May 8, cost $0.20. By and large greatest 0.21, genuinely least 0.19. Pretty further appearance how Algorand estimate on Friday, April 28, cost $0.22, exceptionally most extreme 0.24, kind of least 0.20, which truly is very huge. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.23, fundamentally greatest 0.25, in every way that really matters, least 0.21, showing how Algorand cost forecast on Monday, April 17, cost $0.23, sort of most extreme 0.25, genuinely least 0.21. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.23, kind of most extreme 0.25, genuinely least 0.21, especially further appearance how especially opposite rate, USD to ALGO, which truly is genuinely critical. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.22, especially greatest 0.24, especially least 0.20, which generally shows the Algorand estimate on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.24, exceptionally most extreme 0.26, fundamentally least 0.22. Algorand gauge on Friday, May 12, cost $0.22, all things considered, most extreme 0.24, kind of least 0.20, and in every way that really matters, significant way. In about a month, Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $0.22, really greatest 0.24, exceptionally least 0.20, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.21, sort of greatest 0.22, most certainly least 0.20, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. USD to ALGO conversion scale kind of equivalent to 4.3802 coins per $1 in a really significant manner. Today, S reach 4.3271 minus 4.4703, or so they basically thought. The past day, S nearby 4.3975 in every practical sense, significant way. Change for now 0.0173, 0.39%. So Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.23, most certainly greatest 0.25, essentially least 0.21, which all things considered is genuinely critical. USD to ALGO cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future in month, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Monday, April 17, cost 4.348 coins. Beautiful most extreme 4.762, especially least 4.000, showing how in about a month Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $0.22, kind of greatest 0.24, least 0.20, and in every way that really matters, enormous way. USD to ALGO expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost 4.167 coins, really greatest 4.545, kind of least 3.846, exhibiting that Algorand conjecture on Thursday, April 20, cost $0.23, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.25, by and large least 0.21 in a quite enormous manner. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Wednesday, April 19, cost 4.348 coins, kind of greatest 4.762, kind of least 4.000 in an unpretentious way. USD to ALGO expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost 4.348 coins, truly most extreme 4.762, kind of least 4.000 in an especially large manner. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Friday, April 21, cost 4.348 coins, fundamentally most extreme 4.762, by and large least 4.000, which basically is very huge. In multi-week USD to ALGO forecast on Monday, April 24, cost 4.348 coins, beautiful greatest 4.762, for the most part least 4.000, or so they basically thought. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, April 25, cost 4.348 coins, really greatest 4.762, sort of least 4.000, exhibiting that dollar to Algorand gauge on Monday, April 17, cost 4.34.